Hi, welcome to Motor Tutorials. So this is the first of our 2-minute tutorials. What we're going to be looking at today is how to use an emergency puncture repair kit. This one's from Holtz and it's called Tyre Weld. A lot of these on the market, so they all do pretty much the same thing. However, some require an air compressor to be used with it. This one is an all-in-one kit, so you don't need an air compressor, you don't need anything else. This one you'll see is for large. That's for 17-inch tyres or above. Medium is for 15 and 16-inch tyres, and then you've got small, which is for 14-inch or below. Now this kit can be used for cars, vans, trailers, caravans, anything like that. It's best used where it's a small puncture from like a nail or a screw. However, this kit won't work if there's a tear on the sidewall of the tyre, if the tyre has come off the rim, so the metal wheel, if it's come off that, or if the tyre is ripped. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to have a quick read of the instructions. Each manufacturer knows how to use their product best, so take the time to just have a quick read of it. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to peel this little plastic protector off the top. And we're not going to do anything to turn this just yet, but if you have a look at the top cap, you'll see an arrow pointing to on, and that'll be in a clockwise direction, so that's how we'll turn it. We've got our tyre. Now obviously this isn't flat, we're just using this as a demonstration today. From there, you're going to take the cap off from the valve. You're going to take this nozzle, fit it to the valve, make sure it's lined up correctly, and you're going to screw it on. Just make sure it's all the way on, it's nice and secure. From that point, you're going to turn the top of the cap in the direction we said, towards on, so it's a clockwise direction on this can. And you will see this tube fill up with white foam. That is filling the tyre. While this is happening, just stand safely back. Once you see that there's no more white foam going through the tube, it's safe to take this off. So we're going to turn the cap back to off, and we're going to unscrew the nozzle from the valve. Remember to put your cap back on. And next thing, you want to make sure to drive at around 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers, for about 5 to 6 kilometers at least. And that's it. That is how to use an emergency puncture repair kit. Please like this video and subscribe for more 2-minute tutorials. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, pop them down below.